Quick question, if I told you one of Hollywood's biggest fashion icons just created a viral fashion moment using a Spider-Man t-shirt that costs only $35 on eBay, would you believe me? Because that's exactly what Zendaya has done. And honestly, this is why Zendaya remains undefeated when it comes to fashion. We're talking about someone who regularly wears custom couture, headline luxury campaign and dominates red carpets around the world. But this time, the internet wasn't obsessing over a designer gown worth lakhs. It was obsessing over a vintage Spider-Man t-shirt she reportedly picked up from eBay for just $35. Yup, around 3,000 rupees, and somehow she made it look cooler than outfit that costs 100 times more. The look was simple on paper, a vintage Spider-Man tee, but then Zendaya did what Zendaya always do. She paired it with heels and elevated the entire outfit into a full-blown fashion statement. Suddenly, it wasn't giving, "I found this in my cupboard." It was giving, "I found this in my cupboard and now it's fashion." And that's exactly why people loved it, because celebrity fashion can sometimes feel completely unattainable. It's on luxury labels, custom fittings and outfits people could never imagine wearing in real life. But this felt different. This was a reminder that style isn't always about spending more money. Sometimes it's about knowing how to wear something. The fact that the t-shirt came from eBay made the story even bigger, because beyond the Spider-Man connection, it also highlighted the growing love for vintage and second-hand fashion. Instead of wearing something brand new, Zendaya gave an old piece a completely new life, and fans absolutely ate it up. But the Spider-Man reference didn't stop there, because before, Zendaya and Tom Holland stepped out together at the Rome premiere and basically turned the event into an unofficial Spider-Man fashion moment. Now let's be honest, whenever Zendaya and Tom Holland appears together, the internet immediately stops whatever it's doing, and that's exactly what happened again. The couple looked completely in sync, with fans quickly pointing out how their styling subtly played into the Spider-Man connection without feeling like a costume party. That's actually what made it work. It wasn't loud, it wasn't obvious, it wasn't screaming, "Look, Spider-Man!" It was just clever enough for fans to notice and appreciate. And if there's one thing the internet loves, it's an Easter egg. Especially when it comes from the real-life Peter Parker and MJ. The Rome appearance also reminded people why these two remain one of the most beloved celebrity couples right now. Every time they step out together, the vibe feels effortless. Not over-rehearsed, not overly manufactured, just comfortable. And fans connect with that instantly. Then came the moment that really sent social media into full meltdown mode. A selfie, a simple photo, nothing dramatic, nothing elaborated, but somehow it became one of most talked about celebrity pictures online. Because while the premiere gave fans fashion, the selfie gave them something else: personality. It felt candid, it felt sweet, it felt important, it felt real. And the kind of picture that makes fans go, "Okay, they're actually adorable," which is pretty much what happened across social media. So when you put everything together, this wasn't just one viral fashion story, it was three stories rolled out into one. First, Zendaya proved that $35 vintage Spider-Man t-shirt can become a major fashion moment. Then she and Tom Holland turned a Rome premiere into a subtle Spider-Man inspired style event. And finally, one adorable selfie managed to melt the internet all over again. Honestly, that's a pretty impressive week. A Spider-Man t-shirt, a glamorous premiere, a viral selfie, and somehow Zendaya and Tom Holland made all three feel like one giant pop culture moment. Which, if we're being honest, is exactly why fans can't get enough of them. I'm Nikita Rawat and you're watching Times Entertainment.